dusty.
Yeah, dusty. Don't breathe the dust. Tighten. And it's moving. Ah. Quick and easy with those bolts. Or you can use a sledgehammer. Using a sledgehammer, you hit it on this side while you try to pull on this side, like that, and shift them out. Plug the connector. You're gonna have to. It takes a while. Like took me a while to plug this one, but there's this tab right here that you be able. Should be if you press this down, it should unhook it, but I had to stick a screwdriver in here just to be able to lift that up. That's what locks it up in the wheel hub assembly. And it's a connector. And it's got like 4 bolts. A 1/2 inch bolt or 9/16 bolt. There's 4 of them, and you need to unbolt them. You have to line this hole to the bolt. You can move it around to each bolt.
The bolts are gone, and
yeah. You might want to hit it a few times with this. As you can see, it's rusted. It had a little rusted. Anyways, that's the old one. So you might have to hit it with a hammer to jar it loose, just to loosen it up, you know. Okay, insulation is just lining up the bolts, and they only go one way. In this case, just like so. Easily slides in there. Sure to line up the backing plate. And add the bolts. Now, tightening the bolts, make sure they all line up. Torque the bolt 41 pounds each. Make sure, don't forget.
torque it? 49 pounds.
41 pounds.
Oh, 41?
Yeah. There.
41 pounds.
There you go.
Ready to go?
She's ready to go.
Okay.
And don't forget to plug the connector back to the wheel hub assembly. Make sure it clicks in place. There you go. And she's ready to go. Line up the bolts and slide it in.
Okay.
And install your tire. Ready? Install your tire. That's the way to operate these things. It's with one of these. Okay, let's torque it to 75 pounds. Torque the wheel nuts to 75 pounds and torque it in a crisscross pattern. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's that notch? That's how you install a wheel hub assembly, or replace a wheel hub assembly. It should take you about 20 minutes to do this job. And then, you know,